Shalom and you're welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create an unrejectable Vows Day proposal page like this and send it to your significant other. All right, so let's get straight into it. So you just have to look into the description of this video. Okay, you just have to look into the description of this video or the comment it will be pinned for the link to this particular website. So when you tap on the link, it will bring you to this page where you input your name and then your partner's name and then your your Gmail address for a notification that will be sent. Okay, a notification will be sent after the tap on yes. So the Gmail address you want the notification to be sent to is what you input over there. Then you tap on create link. So after you tap on the create link, you send it to your partner. So when you send it to your partner and they open it, this is exactly what they are going to see. So regardless of how they try to tap on no, it is actually impossible to tap on the no. So the only option they have at the end of the day is to tap on yes. So when they tap on the yes, you would get the email in your inbox. Okay, the email would come into your inbox and then you open it. So when you open the email, you will see this over here. So yeah, you will see that Gmail, which is the name of the partner that you input over there, said yes. So now what you can do is that you can tap on the buy him or her Valentine package so that you don't show up empty-handed. So over here are very beautiful Vows Day packages that every girl would love. Okay, and it's not only for ladies, there are also men packages for men over here. Definitely the ladies own will be more. Okay, and the prices are also good. So you can go on ahead and order for the one that you want for your partner or your partners. Okay, we all know what's going on in the system, so you can order for your partner or your partners, and then yeah, that's basically it. So you just have to tap on the order on WhatsApp button to be taken into the DM of the seller, and then you can place the order for the package that you want. So that's basically it. That's how you can get your Vows Day, your you can get your Vows Day proposal, get her to say yes, and then also get a package for her. Thank you for staying throughout this tutorial. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so and like this video if you like the video. All right, and then I'll be looking forward to seeing you in my next video as my subscriber. Shalom and bye.